In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Steam Overlay in games on PC. If the Steam Overlay keeps popping up while you're gaming, or you want to troubleshoot performance issues, disabling it is a quick and simple adjustment. The Steam Overlay is the feature that lets you open Steam while you're inside a game, usually with a keyboard shortcut. While it can be useful for chatting with friends, browsing guides, or taking screenshots, some players prefer to turn it off for a cleaner experience. To get started, open Steam on your PC. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the main menu at the top of the window. This process only takes a minute, and once you know where the setting is, it's very easy to change again later if needed. Once Steam is open, go to the top left corner of the app and click Steam, then select Settings. This will open the main settings panel where Steam stores many of its general preferences. If you've never explored this menu before, don't worry. Everything is organized into categories on the side, which makes it fairly straightforward to navigate. In the settings window, select In-Game from the left-hand menu. This section controls features that affect what happens while you're actively playing a game through Steam. It's the area you'll want whenever you need to change overlay-related options. Now, look for the setting labeled Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. To turn the overlay off, simply uncheck or disable that option. As soon as you do this, Steam will stop showing the in-game overlay across your games. This can help reduce distractions, and in some cases, it may also resolve conflicts with certain games or other overlays running on your computer. After you've turned the setting off, close the settings window. That's all you need to do. The change is applied automatically, so there's no separate save button required in this case. If a game is currently open, it may be a good idea to close and relaunch it so the change takes full effect. And if you ever decide you want the overlay back, just return to the same in-game settings section and enable the option set again. That's how to turn off Steam Overlay in games on PC. It's a small setting, but it can make a noticeable difference if you want fewer interruptions while playing.